Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to lock WhatsApp without installing any app. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your WhatsApp. Now click on three dots and press on settings. Now go to privacy. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option of app lock. Click on this. Now here you can see unlock with biometric. You have to turn off the button. Now touch the fingerprint sensor and set your time limit. That's it. So this is how to lock WhatsApp without installing any other app. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.